go ahead and take your mouse and flip it over. And then some of the mice you'll find has a nice little cutout here that you can use your thumb just to get it open. Other mice, like this one right here, have the notch here at the side, and then you just use your thumb just to pry this open, your thumb and your fingernail, just to get to the battery. Now, once that's all done, again, I just use my fingernail here, try to get just a little bit under the top of the battery just to get it out. And then obviously you can use your fingers at this point just to take it out. Installing the battery is pretty simple. As you can see here, it has the label or just the design just to show you how the battery is supposed to go in. Go ahead, put it at a slight angle here, slide that in, then use your finger just to push it in. Then you just take the back plate, line it back up, and then you could reconnect it. With this particular one, same process. I just use my fingernail. I just look for the top of the battery, get in this little cutout here, that pries up, you take it out, you put it back at an angle. First look to see how it's supposed to go in. Positive side, which is this one right here at the top, slide that in, push that in, and then you just take the side tray here, or the back plate, sorry, get that all lined up, pushed in, and that's it. And that's how you replace the battery on your mice here.